Today I'll be showing you how to replace a window switch and also how to remove a center console on an NB Miata, but this will also work on an NA Miata. You're going to need some JIS or Phillips head screwdrivers as well as some picks. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove your shift knob by simply unscrewing it. Then you're going to pull out the ashtray, just pull it straight up, it should come out pretty easily. And underneath there'll be a single screw, which you're going to then unscrew. Next up, open up your center console and find the two screws located near the back and unscrew those. In order to remove the center console, you're going to have to remove a screw on either side. Each screw is hidden under a sort of plastic cover. Pry it open and then undo the screw. This is the passenger side one, and the driver side one is shown here. Then pull up on the front of the center console, use one hand on each side, and once you lift it up, you'll see a small black clip here holding in the wires. Go ahead and disconnect that just by pulling on it. It should be rather easy. You're then going to disconnect the window switch by gently pressing in the white tab here with a small screwdriver or pick and pulling out. Perhaps the trickiest part of this whole process is in hooking the window switch from the center console. Starting at the little tabs closest to the shift boot, pry or push down on one with a screwdriver, and then use your finger to push down on the other little tab there. Once you get the top disconnected, then you should be able to pretty easily push down on the bottom ones, again with your fingers or with your screwdriver. I use a Torx bit here. And eventually it should just pop free with a little bit of pressure. Reassembly is the opposite of disassembly. First, you're going to pop the window switch back in, replace it if you are choosing to do so. You're going to want to put the back in first, and then once that clicks into place, you'll be able to push the front in. You're then going to reconnect the window switch electrical connector, the white one, as well as the black plastic clip holding it down. Then go ahead and rescrew the two hidden screws on either side of the center console, as well as the one under the ashtray. Make sure not to forget the ones in the back of the center console as well. Once you've done that, you can rescrew your shift knob, and you are all done.